In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or gray out-of-stock variation options in a WooCommerce product. We're going to walk through a simple setup inside WordPress so that unavailable sizes, colors, or other product options are no longer selectable on the product page. This is a helpful way to improve the customer experience because shoppers can immediately see which options are unavailable instead of selecting them and only finding out later. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, go to the WooCommerce product you want to work on and edit the variable product. Make sure this is a product with variations already set up, since this method applies specifically to products that have options like size, color, material, or similar attributes. After that, open the product data section and go to variations. Here, you'll review each variation one by one and check its stock status. This part is important because the swatches or option behavior on the front end depends on whether WooCommerce correctly knows which variations are available and which ones are not. If a variation is no longer available, mark it as out of stock. Take a moment to verify every variation carefully so the product page reflects the real inventory status. Once the stock statuses are set correctly, move to the variation swatches settings or the product settings being used in your setup. Depending on the plugin or configuration from the tutorial, this is where you control how unavailable options appear to customers. Look for the setting that allows you to disable or gray out unavailable options and enable it. This makes the unavailable choices visible but not selectable, which is often better than hiding them completely because it gives customers a clearer picture of what's sold out. When that setting is enabled, update the product to save all changes. Don't skip this step because your edits to the stock status and display behavior won't appear on the live product page until the product is updated. Now open the product page on the front end of your site. Test the variation selectors and confirm that any out-of-stock sizes or colors can no longer be selected. If everything is set up correctly, those unavailable options should appear disabled or grayed out, making the product page much clearer and easier to use. That's it. With this setup in place, your WooCommerce variable product will do a better job of guiding customers toward available choices and reducing confusion during the buying process.